So let's talk about hexadecimals. They're very important, and their understanding is vital to proceed in computer sciences. Hexadecimals are just numbers. They don't have a physical role in computers. When I say this, it might be, a bit confusing, but the hexadecimals are the numbers that we use to, for our own convenience. Let's see how. First of all, let's remind this table is very important. We have the denary numbers, we have the binary numbers, and we have their equivalent hexadecimals. These are the hexadecimal digits that are used in places of these numbers. So why we need hexadecimals? Because computers only work with binary numbers. We don't use hexadecimal in the electronics of the computer, but we use them because the computer scientists find it very easy to work with hexadecimal number, and this is an example. Look at this hexadecimal number. This is a binary number. This is a very long number, and you can't remember it easily. But when you convert it into a hexadecimal, it is very easy to remember. And if you want to keep this in your mind, you will just remember it very in inconvenient way. So backend, the backend, when we use hexadecimals, the computer actually does not work with them. They convert it into binary and then they work. So the uses of hexadecimals, there are four important uses for our course purposes. First of all, we have error codes. Computer generates error codes in hexadecimal values. These values refer to the memory location of the error, the place where the error is taking place, and then the computer programmer will interpret the error code. To see the list of errors used by Windows, you can refer to this page of the textbook. Then we use hexadecimals for MAC addresses, media access control. So every device, when it is manufactured, if it is to be connected to internet, for example, your mobile phone, your laptop, your digital watch or anything, it will have a NIC card. This NIC card has 48 bits. So we divide these 48 bits, we convert these into hexadecimals, and then we divide them into 6 groups of 2 hex numbers each. First 3 numbers will be for the company code, 3 groups, so 6 numbers will be for the company code, and last 3 groups will be for the device code. For example, look at this Apple hex number, MAC address for a device. So we have 2 hexadecimal numbers, 222, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 groups of 2 hexadecimal numbers. The first 3 are associated with Apple. So any device with these 001CB3 MAC number will be identified as Apple device. And then the device will have its own unique MAC address. It will be 4F25FE. This will be a specific particular device. So this is how we use a MAC address, and we use hexadecimals in this MAC address. Then we have IP addresses. IP address is Internet Protocol. So Internet protocols are numbers. When we type an address into a browser, for example, google.com, computer does not understand it at all. But the computer starts looking for this into a place called phone book or DNS resolution. And from here, it finds this internet protocol IP address, and then this IP address opens the web page we are looking for. IP4 and IP6, two types of addresses are used. IP4 is the old one, and IP6 is the latest one. The difference is the IP4 allows 32 bits, whereas in IP6 we can have up to 128 bits. So these numbers, IP addresses, are given in denary format or a hexadecimal format. So a denary format is this, and its equivalent hexadecimal format is this. For our course purposes, we must remember the two informations that first of all, what is IP address? And the second one is what is IP4? So it is a 32-bit, and IP6, 128-bit. Then we have HTML color codes. HTML is the front end of any web page, and it uses lots of colors to design a web page. And these colors are represented using hexadecimal numbers. Different colors have different and unique hexadecimal codes. Just look at this. This is the red color, and its hexadecimal code in the computer in the HTML will be this one, FF0000. 6 hex digits. For green, it will be this. For blue, it will be this. So these three are the basic primary colors. Look at how they are and remember that FF000000FF0000FF RGB. Then we combine these and make different colors. So these are the different color codes. Thank you.